Good morning students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you all are fit and fine. So in our today's video, we have discussed some other points and regarding to solve the passage, and I hope the points which I gave you in my last video, you should remember that points while solving the passage. And one more thing, I gave you one worksheet number 1, and I hope you all solve the questions of that worksheet. And for matching the answers after this video, I will give you the answer sheet of worksheet number 1. So in today's video we will discuss the some other points while solving the passage. So let's come to the point by one. Okay, so here look at the board. So my first point, students, read all the questions properly. So it is very necessary to read all the questions properly, because if you don't get the idea of the question, you don't write the answers in a correct way. So it must be necessary to read all the questions properly, so you get the clear idea of what question is about. So next point, don't mix the sentences of one's answer into another one. So sometimes it may be happen that the sentences of one line is again repeated in the second answer, and second line answer is again repeated in the third one. So it gives the wrong idea to the examiner. Okay. So my third point, change the form of the answers. So if the question is in the direct form, when you write the answers, you have to change the direct form into indirect form, because in direct speech the sentences come under inverted commas, and when you write the answers in indirect form, you remove the inverted commas, and you change the form from direct to indirect. So sometimes it may be happen that the question comes under the direct form. Students, get it? So my next point is fourth point, if the question is in the past form, the answer should also be in the past tense. So question is in the past tense, answer is also in the past tense. If the question is in the present tense, then answer is also must be in the present tense. So my last point, fifth one, vocabulary part. In vocabulary part, the answer must be is in the antonym form or in the synonym forms. For example, the word is given weak, and the question is write down the synonym or antonyms of weak. So you have to give your answer in only one word: weak, strong. So that is the opposite of the word. You don't write all the words which you find in the passage and write down one by one. So write down this mention and note this important point: one word question, one word answer. So thank you, students.